Most people panic when the Walmart website stops loading. They assume the site is down or something is broken forever. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the issue is not Walmart. It is your browser, network, or device settings causing the failure. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix the Walmart website not loading issue in 2026, step by step. No technical skills needed. Just simple fixes that work for most users instantly. Let's start with the quickest check. First, refresh the page and wait a few seconds. Sometimes the Walmart website simply fails to load due to a temporary connection delay. A quick refresh solves it for users like Alex, who think something is wrong when it is just a loading glitch. But here's the problem. If refreshing does not work, the issue is deeper than a simple delay. Next, check your internet connection. Open another website like YouTube or Google. If those also load slowly, your Wi-Fi or mobile data is the real issue. Restart your router or switch networks to fix it quickly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users do not realize their browser is the real culprit. Cache data, cookies, or outdated sessions can block Walmart from loading properly. So step 3 is clearing your browser cache. If you are on Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy, clear browsing data, and remove cached images and cookies. Then reopen the site. If you are using Safari or Edge, the process is similar. Jake fixed his issue instantly just by clearing old cookies that were interfering with login sessions. Step 4 is trying a different browser. If Walmart does not load on Chrome, try Firefox or Edge. This helps you confirm whether the problem is browser-specific or system-wide. Step 5 is disabling extensions. Some ad blockers or privacy tools can block Walmart scripts. Turn them off temporarily and reload the page. Now step 6 is checking Walmart's server status. Sometimes the site is actually down for maintenance or updates. In that case, no fix on your device will work until it is restored. Step 7 is updating your browser. Old versions may not support modern website features, which can cause loading errors or blank pages. Finally, restart your device. This resets network connections and clears temporary system bugs that may be interfering with the site. So to wrap it up, the Walmart website not loading issue usually comes down to 7 simple fixes. Refresh the page. Check your internet, clear cache. Change browser, disable extensions, check server status, and update your browser. If you follow these steps in order, the issue is usually gone within minutes. If this helped, like the video, leave a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and Walmart guides. You will save time and avoid frustration next time the website acts up.